Hello viewers, hello YouTubers. It's Ginger back again with a new video. It's on how to tighten your vagina. Well, we're gonna need one bowl, a white bowl, just any bowl if you have any bowl at home, and then we're gonna need 4 mangoes. It's either it's ripe or it's raw, it's fine. Then we are gonna peel the mangoes. We already washed them. We're gonna peel them. Because here we only need the seed. Yeah. After we are done peeling, we're just gonna slice them up. Making sure you are not damaging the seed, because well, it's got no side effects. It's really natural. It's a very good remedy to tighten your vagina. Well, you're gonna slice it open. And there we go. This is what we need. We're still gonna do that to the other mangoes. Taking out all the mango from the seed. This is actually quite good. Well, I saw it in some other tribes in Zimbabwe where they use the mango seed to tighten their vaginas before they're married. Because in some tribes, it's actually a shame to be married to someone that's not a virgin. So here, I'm just going to cut it open. Just cut it open. The seed is all we need. It's kind of hard to open it. Yeah. And we'll just open. Well, this seed is kind of rotten, so we're not going to use this one. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one open. Well, I choose to use raw mangoes because they're easy to peel. Some ripe mangoes, they are so juicy and too sticky for my liking, but you can use them, it's fine. Wow. Well, it's very hard to open up the mango seed, but yeah, it's quite, yeah. Let me open it up before I use it. Okay. See, this is what we need. So just gonna cut them. Cut it. Yeah. Small pieces. We cut it into small pieces the way I just did with this one. Yeah, as you can see, just gonna keep it clean and open it up. And then we're gonna cut it into small pieces, and when we have done that, into small pieces like that. Then, well, sorry about my hair, it's just getting on my face. Let me slice it up. Slice it up, slice it up, slice it up, slice it up. Now we got our mango seed. No, I don't like using a bowl, but this is much good. It's actually a good measurement, hey? You can make any kind of amount you want, provided it's kept in the fridge under a low temperature. Should be in a cool place so that it doesn't get rotten or anything, because you're gonna need to use it for 10 days, and it's very efficient for 10 days. And then you can go ahead with the way. Now we're gonna need a grinder. We're gonna grind this into powder, and then yeah, we're gonna grind it into powder. Well, this is what we're gonna use to grind our mango seed, and then we're gonna show you the results. Just, well, this is how the powder should look like. This is how the powder is. We have just grinded it. Yeah, so you're gonna use it in such a way that, given this is your vagina, and then you just put it there, smudge it on the sides, and then you let it in overnight. And then this works like magic, and it takes 10 days. So you should do it for 10 days, and then you see the results. Thank you.